Python dictionary. So as I said earlier, dictionary items are ordered, changeable, and does not allow duplicate. So and the items are presented in key value pairs and can be referred by using the key name. So if you want to get the data pack, you just call on the key name. So imagine you have 10 box, 6, and you inside those 10 boxes, you have phones inside. So with you have 10 boxes with phone inside, and those boxes now have different keys. So if you want to get iPhone 1, you go there with iPhone 1 key, open it, and bring out iPhone 1 key. If you want to get iPhone 2, 40, iPhone 10, so right like that. So basically, what we really care about is the key. So I said this guy here, this curly braces means dictionary, represent dictionary. So it is not like the other list. So said so far we've been looking at data structure in Python. For list, if you want to create list, same way, we say this underscore list is equals to square bracket for list and this underscore tuple, right? It goes to parentheses for tuple, right? I could say this underscore set is equals to curly braces as well. So if I want to create dictionary as well, say this underscore dick, right? For dictionary. But the difference between dictionary and set is that dictionary for set, the items are duplicate. It allows duplicates. They are not ordered and they are not changeable. While for dictionary, it does not allow duplicates. They are ordered and they are changeable. And also, the items are presented in key value pairs. So let's say this is my dictionary. Coming. So if I say this is my dictionary, I okay. I want to create a dictionary for different country currency. So the variable name here is my underscore money. So remember that each country will have their own currency, right? And the name of those countries is the key. So for Nigeria, I can say NIG for Nigeria. Then the value will be what N for Naira. Then I can say UK. Sorry, say UK. The value will be euros, right? You can say USA. The value will be dollar. So let me just use the for example. So this is it. So if I want to print out this, if I want to print out this particular dictionary, I just print parent is my underscore name. I'll get back the dictionary. But if I want to get n specifically, I need to call the key. Yeah, I have to make use of the key. So I will say print first this guy, then square bracket. In square bracket, quote as well, NIG for Naira. So I should get N. So for same thing for UK, UK, I'll get E. Same thing for USA, I should get it there as well. So that is just basic thing about dictionary. So remember they are ordered and they are changeable. They do not allow duplicate.